Are you short on time but know you want to strengthen your core a little bit more? Well, today's Pilates class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now I've got a short Pilates class that's really all about our core. We do a little bit of work that will include the legs, so of course they'll get some attention as well. This is a short class that is probably closer to an intermediate, mostly because we just move a little faster. My beginners, you always know you can lower the head and chest when it gets a little harder when we're doing those abdominal crunches, and you will still get a great big tummy workout even if you're just focusing on the legs during that part. No props are needed whatsoever. Simply roll out your mat. Let's get started. Come to a seat on your mat. Let your hands relax wherever you want to. Lift up and out of the waist, open up across the chest. Take a big inhale, both hands lift to the sky. Allow your right hand to drop down, grow taller through the left, and then lean to the right. Take a breath, find a forward fold. Nod the head a little yes and no. Roll yourself up to a seat, both hands reach to the ceiling. Drop the left hand down. This time grow longer through the right and melt over to your left side. Big inhale. Again, gentle forward fold. Nod the head yes and no. Roll yourself up to a nice tall seat. Both hands lift to the ceiling. Big inhale. Let's take a twist to the right. Right hand back, left hand forward. Unravel. Same thing, other side. Unravel. Flip the palms, bring them down. We'll place our feet out in front of us, and we're coming into everyone's favorite Pilates C-curve. Take your hands behind the thighs at first, roll the shoulders back and really sit up tall and straight. Full big inhale. Tip off your sitting bones, round back into your C-curve. If you're new, remember, or if you're new, we're gonna reach our sacrum, that big bony plate at the base of our spine, towards the ground. At the same time, it's like my pubic bone is tipping up. I'm kind of tucking the tail, turning on my tummy muscles a little bit more. Notice if you're caving the chest in. Can we roll the shoulders back and lean further back? Take a big inhale, roll all the way up to a seat. Again, lean back, Pilates C-curve. Exhale, roll it on up. Again, tip back, Pilates C-curve, roll it on up. This time, tip back and pause. Hold here. Wrap the tummy muscles in, stomp into the feet. I know some of my friends like to flex their feet and push the heels down. That's totally fine. Reach one or both hands away from the mat, or away from your thighs if possible. Now I'm pretending there's a table in front of me. I'm pushing down into the table. I'm reaching my sacrum further back. I'm engaging my abdominal muscles more. Inhale, slide your hands out and away. Exhale, pull them in. Inhale, reach the hands out and away. Exhale, pull them in. Every time you bring your hands closer towards one another, engage your abdominal muscles more. Inhale, open. Exhale, cinch and close. Inhale, open. Exhale, cinch and close. 3 more, open. Exhale, close. 2 more, open. Exhale, close. Last one. Close, pause. Lean further back. Engage your tummy muscles more. Flip the palms and hug your arms towards one another. It's like you're holding a ball or a block or a present. Hold that object. Imagine it's so heavy. Turn on your arms. Can we lift our heavy object up? Exhale, pull it down in front of you. Inhale, reach your fingertips up to the sky. Exhale, turn on your tummy muscles, pull it right back down. 3 more, inhale up. Exhale, down. 2 more, up. Exhale, navel to spine down. Last one, lift. Exhale, bring it down, pause. Flip the palms, open them a little wider than your knees. Roll yourself up to a seat. Now, heel toe the feet a little closer towards one another. My big toes are going to touch. There'll be some separation between my knees, but I'm trying to bring my inner thighs almost a touch. Again, lower back, Pilates C-curve, pause. Are you really pulling the pubic bone up, wrapping the tummy and reaching the fingers further away? Stump down into your left foot. 5 times. Can you pick up your right knee? Touch it down. Exhale, pick it up. Touch it down. 3 more, exhale, lift. and lower. 2 more, exhale, lift and lower. Last one, lift, pause. Bring your right hand behind your thigh. Hug it a little closer. Maybe reach off your sacrum a little bit more. Feel those abdominal muscles working oh so hard. Release. Set the foot down. Same thing, other side. Exhale, left leg up. Touch it down. And really notice that it's the whole thigh that I'm picking up and dropping down, not just like straightening the knee. It's the thigh coming up, dropping down. Exhale, lift it up, bring it down. Exhale, up we go, and down. 2 more. Last time, lift it up, pause, hug behind, pull it a little closer, navel up and in. Release, set the foot down, roll yourself up. Again, tip off your sacrum, find your Pilates C-curve, this time a little bit different. Pick up your right leg, keep it there. Bring your hand behind your thigh. Take a big inhale. Can you do the same thing other side? So it's like we're in a little bit of a teaser. Tummy in, elbows are poking wide, cinch the waist. See how still you can keep yourself. Are your ankles kind of pointing down, or can we make sure our knees are in almost a 90-degree angle? We want our shins parallel to the mat. Reach one hand away. Reach the other hand away. You've got this. Big, deep inhale. Both hands behind the thighs. Set the feet down. Roll yourself up. Beautiful. This time, both hands away. Tip back. Cinch the inner thighs towards one another. Turn your tummy muscles on even more. Big inhale. Exhale, pick up both legs. And hold with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Both toes down, roll yourself up. Again, lean back, inner thighs together, navel pulls in, big inhale, exhale, pick it up, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes down, roll it up. Last one, lean back, pull it up, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes down and lift. You might open your feet a little wider, sitting tall and straight. Lower all the way down to the ground. Let's go slowly. Tip back, 1 vertebra at a time. You've got this. How smooth, how steady can you keep yourself? Walk the feet in, place the hands down by your side, and let's do 3 rounds of bridge, lifting the hips up, squeezing your thigh butt connection point, lowering down. Tip the pelvis, rise up to your bridge, lower down. Last one, rise up to your bridge, hold. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point. Make sure the ribs are still closing in. We're not going for a great big yoga back bend. We are going for a Pilates bridge. Take a full big inhale, lower down to the mat. Now I want you to immediately imprint the spine. That means to push the low back down without caving the chest in, without lifting the butt up. We have just got our low back touching the mat, our spine long. Take your hands overhead. I want you to float them up so you can almost see them in your peripheral vision and soften the shoulders down the back. We're not going for hands touching the ground. They're just going to stay right here. Shoulders are connected to the back of our body, belly button in, big inhale. We're going to curl your head and chest up, reach past your hips. Inhale, lower everything down. Hands are going to come back to that starting point. Exhale, curl everything up. Lower everything down. If you need a hand to support the head, you absolutely could take one or both hands behind you as we curl up and down. This time, curl up and pause. Reach past the hips and try to lift the shoulders further off the mat. It's like you're trying to eliminate the space or make smaller between your sternum and your belly button. That's how much you're folding here. Big inhale, stomp into your left foot 5 times. Exhale, lift your right, touch it down. Exhale, engage your tummy muscles, lift it up, drop it down. 3 more, exhale, up and down. 2 more, exhale, up and down. Last one, lift, hold, grow a little taller, fold a little further, reach past the hips. Full big inhale, set your right foot down. Exhale, pick up your left foot, drop it down. Exhale, pick it up, drop it down. 3 more, exhale, up and down. 2 more, exhale, up and down. Last one, lift, pause. Lift a little higher, cinch the waist, low back touching. Your tummy's working so hard. If we need a hand behind our head, of course, take it. Now set the foot down, set the head and chest down. Stretch long, reach further away, connect your shoulders to the back. By that I mean don't let them rise up to the ears. Make sure there's space between shoulders and ears. Full big inhale, curl up one more time, reach past the hips. Can we pick up our right leg? Can we pick up our left leg? And again, if we need a hand there because we're feeling some tension through our neck, that's of course okay. I'd rather us work on engaging those tummy muscles, keeping them working. Now, if we can, we're just gonna move the right leg quickly for 5, 4, tap it down, 3, 2, 1, pause, left leg, tap it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, again, right, here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, other side, 5, use that big exhale as almost a punch to the gut, engage the tummy muscles more, 2, 1, pause, keep the legs in place, lower the head and chest down, big inhale, curl, lift up. Now we're going to switch back and forth. Start with the right toe down and let's switch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs together, left down. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs together, right down. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, left toe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Set everything down. Stretch your hands over your head. Relax the neck. Maybe shake out the head a little bit. Heel toe the feet wider than your hips, knees together. Take a little windshield wiper, side to side. Heel toe the feet back in, stretch along from your toes through your body out, your fingers. Roll to one side. Push yourself up to a seat. As always, give yourself a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute core workout. I cannot wait to see you again. If you want 10 minutes of hips and glutes, go ahead and click the link up below and you will find a lovely video to match that.